So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this gigabyte.com and you can see search here and then enter your model number which is you require the driver and then hit enter. Okay, and click on product and then click to HVS2 and then click to support. Select operating system because Windows 10, 11 both same. Audio driver and scroll down and click to download. It is start downloading. And it is completed. Just single click to open and double or click open and find out setup. This is setup exe. Slow down and then click to yes. Okay, so you run this now, did not come to any error. You just click to run and then next to install it. Just click to yes and then next to install. Chipset. So click to this Intel driver and just click to download. It will complete. Just double click to launch and then same folder and double click to setup. And then click to yes. Now it's come to installations and next to install and then you click to finish. LAN driver, Realtek LAN, click to download. It is completed. Open and double click to and it's exe and then click to yes. Then next Now this is installing. Okay, and then finish. VGA driver, graphic card VGA, and click to download. It is start downloading. Wait few seconds to complete. So it is completed. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And then it is done and closed.